There's something amazing about a trip that has you walking on the beach one day and seeing snowflakes the next. But a winter coat, it'll take up your entire bag. There's a better way to pack for 2 climates. Carry-on only packing is all fun and games when you're just going to the beach. But packing for 2 different climates, that's next level. Don't worry though, Professor Raymond reporting for duty. Shall we begin? First, think about how much of your trip you'll be spending in each climate. Say you're spending 4 days in HALEAKALA National Park and 4 on Maui's beaches. You'll need just as much clothing that works in 40-degree temps as you do for lying in the sand. No matter the breakdown, you can fit everything you'll need in a carry-on bag.
Really?
Just because you can bring a bigger bag doesn't mean you should. Do you really want to lug that to the airport? First, pick a palette for your trip so it's easy to mix and match pieces. Once you've picked your color scheme, scan your pile of clothes for unitaskers. I'm looking at you, winter coat. In place of that coat, it's all about layering.
So what? I'm layering tank tops in a bikini?
Actually, no. For cold weather activities, start with a sweat-wicking shell in wool or synthetic fiber and your warmest pair of pants. This will keep your core warm and dry. Add on a lightweight sweater in merino wool or cashmere. For really cold days, layer on a vest or a thin fleece. This down vest can be compressed down to nearly nothing. Finish with a windbreaker shell. Choose a waterproof one that can double as a rain jacket.
All right, but real talk, aren't all these thin layers pretty pricey?
Fair point. Thin wool, cashmere, and down pieces can last for years, but they ain't cheap. Purchase from online closeout stores or hit the racks in the off-season for more affordable options. Once you've got your cold weather wardrobe on lock, here's what else to put in your bag. 2 pairs of tights or leggings, 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shorts, 3 lightweight tanks and tees, 2 silk tops, silk underwear, 1 button-up shirt, 1 dress, 2 pairs of sandals, 1 pair of boots or hikers, 2 scarves, 1 warm weather hat and a cold weather hat, 2 to 3 pairs of wool socks, and swimwear. Once you have the basics, it's time to mix and match. Wear your heaviest pair of shoes and your bulkiest clothes to the airport to keep your bag even lighter and keep your wardrobe ready for any occasion or temperature or frozen drink.